Hey guys, back to our channel. Came up with a new topic. What percent of the question mark? What percentage of is what? What is this? Is what percent of a number is equal to, or what is the percentage of a number? So percentage of numbers we are going to calculate. Let's get start our video. Let us understand this concept with a simple model diagram. Here I have 4 blocks, which you can see there are 4 blocks are there. So total number of blocks is 4. So my question is, I want 25% of the blocks to be shaded from the given. So to shade the 25%, what is the whole quantity? Whole quantity is 4, right? Total number of blocks will be whole quantity. Whole quantity will be 4. So I can ask you, what is 25% of 4 will be equal to? So there are 4 blocks are there. Out of 4 blocks, whole quantity represents 100% as usually, as we know this 100%. This 100% is being divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is represented with 25%, and then this is also 25%. Each block is shown up with 25%. So I want 125%, just 125% out of this 4 quantities. So what it means, I need to shade one block, any one block to be shaded. This is what my question is being asked. So this is the answer. 25% of 4 blocks will be equal to 1. So let's check this by solving. Here I can solve it. One word you need to know is of. This of represents multiplication. 25% of 4 we can write as 25%, we can write it as a fraction form of 4. Of means times 4. So 25 by 100 is equal to 25 by 100 times 4. Cancellation. 25 times of 4 is 100 and 4 times of 1 is 4. As I got the result as 1. This is what the shaded part to be shown on the model diagram. See that in a practical way we already shown this is 1 and this is we solve the problem. So this is how we work on solving percentage of a number. Things to remember. So what are the things to remember when we converting percentage, when we are calculating percentage of a number? So when you're solving these kind of things, what first thing that you need to do is, so write the percentage as a fraction. So percentage, write the percentage as a fraction, and then you multiply with the whole quantity. Whole quantity or whole number, whatever it is given. Second way is that you can write percentage as a decimal. Same thing, and then same multiply with whole quantity. These are the two things we have to remember while we writing percentage of a number. Anything is fine. So first step, if you can see, percentage of a fraction means you need to write a percentage symbol to be rewritten by 100. So if it is x percentage, then we have to rewrite this percentage symbol with 100, that is x over 100. And to write this as a decimal, we have to convert this 100 into decimal, that is x times 0.01. So these two are the ways, one is the fraction and one is the decimal. Let's understand this concept broadly with some example. So I have 50 apples with me. In a basket, there is a basket. In this basket there I have 50 apples. So out of this 50 apples in the basket, few apples are rotten, that is 10% are rotten. So how many apples are good or how many apples are rotten? If you can find one quantity, the other one is very simple. So I have to solve this one. So 10% of 50 I have to calculate. As we know the calculation process, either we can go with converting into fraction times 50 or decimal times 50. So I am writing as 10% as 10 over 100. So rewrite this percentage symbol with this 100. Of means, as we said, that it is a multiplication, that is times, and then whole quantity is 50. 10 over 100 times 50. Let's simplify this one. So 10 times 1 and 10 times 10 is 100. Again 10 times 5. What do we get here is 5. So we calculated 10% of 50 is 5. So 5 apples are rotten. So how many are good condition? So total 50 quantity, 50 apples, right? 50 minus, if I take off 5 apples, so 45 apples fresh. In a school, if a test contains for 80 marks, there is a test which is conducting for 80 marks. So the test is announced that the pass percentage is 35%. 35% is the pass percentage. So out of this 80, 35% to achieve to get the pass. So what are the pass marks? I want pass mark. Exactly what is the pass mark is. So to calculate the pass mark, we have to calculate 35% of 80 we need to calculate. That can be written as 35 by 100. Why I am writing 100? Since this percentage symbol is to be rewritten with 100. Times of is times 80. Simplify this one. So simply I just cancel this with 10 times 8 is 80, 10 times 10 is 100, and 5 times 2 is 10, and 5 times 7 is 35. Again I can go with 2 times 4. What I remain here with is 7 is in the top of 35 and 4 is here. 7 4 is 28. So what are the pass marks to achieve? So 28 marks to get to pass. This is how we have to work on. Yes kids, time to a practice task. What you have to do is, as you know that, pause the video and answer all these questions and put your answers in the comment section.